In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up Visual Studio Code with Python and OpenCV to begin your development of image processing software. So first of all, let's get the Visual Studio Code, code.visualstudio.com/download. Alright, we are downloading for Windows. I'm going to use user installer. Okay, this one. So in a short while, the download will begin, which is here. Alright, then we click the file, executable file, to install it. Agree. I'm just going to use all the default. Okay, now the Visual Studio is running, so I'm just going to click finish, and it will launch the Visual Studio Code. We are going to install the Python. So what we are going to do is to go to Microsoft Store. So you just look for Microsoft Store. In the Microsoft Store, you look for Python. And as we specify in the requirement, we are going to use Python 3.10. Okay, the installation is completed. So let's go to we close this. We start Visual Studio Code. The first thing we need to do is to install the extension for Python. In order to do that, we click here, then we type Python. Look for the Python. Since I've already installed it, I do not need to install it again. Okay, right. Then now we will work. We will create a folder. Okay, we'll create a folder. In this case, I'm using my D drive called repo, the IPD. I have a sample image file, which looks like this. Okay, so we have a sample image file to work with. So this is our folder. Okay, so what we need to do is file, open folder. We go to the folder we had just now, repo, IPD. Right, this is the select folder. Right. So in order to test trust author, yes. Right. Let's start a Python file. Let's say we call it test.py. Test.py. Okay. Let's try hello world to see whether it works. Okay. So we just click this one. So it works. If there are more than one Python version installed in your computer, you can go to command palette and select Python, select interpreter. So in this case, we have this one. Right, so it's working. But now we need to import the library for OpenCV. So what you need to do here is to pip. This is a package installer for Python. Install OpenCV Python. Just wait for a while. It will download and install the Python library. Yep. it will also install all the dependency, in this case NumPy. Don't worry about the warning. Alright. Okay, let's import the CV or the OpenCV so that we can use it. Import CV2, that's the convention we use. Okay, we want to try to see whether we can use CV2 to read the image. So we try run to see whether there's any error. So there's no error here. Okay. Okay, then we are going to show the image, and while showing the image we are going to wait for the user to press the key Q before we close the window. It destroy all windows. So let's try out. So we are going to hit run. Alright, see the image pops up. If I press Q, the image closed, destroy all the windows. So far we are able to develop some Python program with the image processing library, the OpenCV. So you're all set to work on your project.